Unintended consequences are one of the more fundamental aspects of complex systems. Oftentimes in complex systems, when we don't think long term and when we're not mindful of the possible unintended consequences of what we do, we act in ways that have a short-term logic but that can do long-term harm. An idea by Dietrich Dorner, who's a German psychologist who studies working with complex systems, suggests that most people who try to do good in the world actually end up doing harm because they're not aware of the unintended consequences of sort of well-intentioned actions. So people will go, and human rights workers will go into a community and they'll work with women and they'll explain to them that they're being oppressed by their culture or by the men in the community. And the unintended consequences of that is that they can shame the women. They can have them start to question their own cultural practices and religious practices, which can have negative consequences. So even though the workers are well-intentioned, they can go on to have these types of unintended consequences.